Ma'am, ano po yung, when you mentioned it kanina in passing, yung effect ng El Nino sa agricultural products? Because we had a report yesterday, sa Baguio yata natutuyo yung mga gulay doon. So, in anticipation of the effect of El Nino on the prices, what effect do you think will El Nino have on the prices of agricultural products, like gulay, for example?
Particularly vegetables, gulay. Gulay talaga yung binabantayan natin because of the drought now happening in several regions in the country. So production has halted, I understand. And we intend to address this through the NPCC by finding out how we can help the farmers continue production or minimize at least the ill effects of El Nino.
In terms of effect on prices, will we be able to quantify already?
Yes, if there is low production in the countryside, supply will decrease and then prices will go higher because there is less supply. So we want to address that immediately, and we are actually looking at how to help the farmers continue producing despite the El Nino.
So we can say now that we can expect the prices of vegetables to go up because of El Nino.
Yes, it is a possibility.
But hindi naman sobrang exorbitant?
Hindi naman siguro. That's why government is here. We want to minimize the effects. There will be definitely effects on agricultural products. We cannot deny that.
And the assistance, of course, would be, paano yun? Kung wala talagang tubig, walang tuyo yung lupa, how do you assist them?
We'll see how. We'll see how. It's going to be discussed this afternoon. We'll see how we can help DA, help the farmers.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Okay, MPC, may tanong pa. RJ?
Although you will discuss this afternoon, but ma'am, what are some possible ways kaya that the government can help our farmers continue with their production?
Top of mind would be irrigation, how we can keep the water supply flowing in the fields.